Well, now you can do your motion capture inside of Unreal Engine without any markers and without your motion capture suit. Well, in this video, we'll talk about this amazing plugin. Let's jump into this video. Well, firstly, we need to jump into Fab and just go to search and type Markerless, press enter, and new you can find this MetaHuman Animator Markerless new plugin. Just need to simply click this install plugin and you can see this window. Now, I already have installed this, but if you are doing this first time, you can see your Unreal Engine version 5.8 because this upgrade is only available for version 5.8. Now let's jump into Unreal Engine. Well, inside of Unreal Engine, firstly you need to go to edit, go to plugins, and you need to type MetaHuman and you need to turn on all these plugins should turn on. After that, simply type live link and you need to turn on this live link and control link for live link, this to on, and restart your Unreal Engine. That's it. Now you need to import one MetaHuman character. I already imported this MetaHuman character. Now let's start the video. So first of all, go to tools and type a live link and you can find live link hub. Simply click and it will open a newly launched window. This is called live link hub. So after open this, you need to go to live data, click this capture manager, select add and this mono video ingest. Click here and browse your footage folder. So now I just have this footage inside of this new folder. Simply select this folder. Now click on this footage, press add to queue, select the footage and press start. Now if you have an audio file, it will automatically calculate your audio files. Now once it will done, simply minimize this. Now you can find this option called capture manager, then import, just go inside of this folder and now right click, go to MetaHuman and click this MetaHuman performance and let's rename to Meta. Now double click here, it will open a new window. Now select your footage calibration data like this. So now this is the footage you can see just like this, and after that going down, click this body tracking option. Now this is the main part of this video. Now going up, you need to select the character which you want to rig with this character. So simply go to this BV Gavin and it's loaded. Now this character with rig from this motion. These are all the details, no need to worry about. Make sure the facial tracking should turn on and this body tracking as well, and after that simply press process. Now this is a long shot, so it will take some time to process. Still, you can go and have a cup of coffee and it's done. It took around 20 minutes to take this, and now once you play, you can simply see both the characters are animated, and just look at this. The hand gestures, the face gestures are actually too good. This already taking the entire motion. Now let me show you how you can use this motion or how you can export this motion to your Unreal Engine and then you can export this. Well, first of all, for export this, click this export animation and you can find your folder. So let's export it here and press save. Export range should be whole sequence or processing range. So I just select this processing range, and for the skeleton, I am just using the existing skeleton. So now you need to select the body, which body you want to export or which body you want this character animation to be exported. And automatically this SMKY body was selected, and now simply press create and press add and it's done. Now you can close or you can minimize this. Now go to content and you can find this option. Just double click, you can see the exact character. Now if you notice there's a female body, don't worry, simply select here and you can change it to male body. And now you can change all the characters which rigged properly or not. So this is the leg, this is the pant, and this is the body. Well, absolutely everything is working perfectly. Now let's minimize this, close this window. Now go here, add a new level sequence and just name it as usual, normal, and press save. Now you need to create a new camera, select the camera, and now you need to import the character. So simply go to content browser, go to MetaHuman, select this character, drag and drop into this. So now you have the character in front of you. So now the next thing, select the character, click on this body, select this plus button, go to animation, and you can simply select this as meta which you have exported. And now boom, you have that character animation in front of you. Now change the frame range to 250 and boom, you are done. Your character is animated successfully. Well, that's it for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you learned something new from today's video, then definitely subscribe. Comment section is open. If you have any doubts, please do comment. See you next time with some more amazing new content. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking World of VFX.